Hi huns, how are you? Thank you very much for joining me in another video this week, and if you're new here, welcome to the small YouTube family. So guys, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be letting you know about the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. Now, I've been wanting to film this video for you for some time and I just haven't done it because my skin has been acting up, but my skin's in a better condition at the moment, so I'm going to be letting you know about this product, reviewing it, and also doing a demonstration on how I use this product. If you haven't heard of a cleansing balm before, I don't know where you've been, but by the end of this video you're going to know everything you need to know, and you will convert from face wipes to a cleansing balm. But before we get into all that good stuff, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss out on the enjoyment that is happening on this channel, guys. But let's get into it. So guys, I've been using this cleansing balm now for maybe almost 2 years and I absolutely love this product. Massive spoiler alert. Since I have started using this product, I have not touched face wipes, baby wipes, all of the wipes to take my makeup off because I absolutely love using this product. I have picked this up in the 30 mils, but it does come in a larger jar. Now, what is a cleansing balm, I can hear you ask? So instead of using a face wipe, you can use a cleansing balm to take off your makeup because it's a lot better for your skin. So as you can see, guys, this cleansing balm is indeed a solid, but the beauty of this product, which I'm going to show you now, is that when you rub this in your fingertips, it actually turns into a oil. Now, I'm going to be showing you how I use this to take my makeup off, but essentially what you want to do is use about a coin size of the product. Now, I always make sure that I have got a coin size straight away because what I don't want to do is dip my fingers back in the product when it's dirty, so I make sure I always get a coin size straight away. And as you can see, it will turn into oil. So guys, this product is divine. I am going to insert clips on how I use this product, but you will see that I use this product and really massage the product into my skin so that I'm getting all the goodness, and I do this for around 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure that I've really got in there and I've scrubbed away every bit of the makeup. What I like about this as well is that this product works if you've got like a light face. Now, you've got like a light face of makeup. If you've got a heavy look, it will literally melt your makeup off your face, so you're not having to do too much scrubbing, and it takes off the makeup really nicely and it leaves your skin feeling super smooth. So on the website it does say that this product is really good as sort of your first cleanser. So even if you didn't have makeup on but you had SPF, you could use this product to really melt away the SPF. And honestly, guys, this product feels so luxurious. It's velvety, it's soft, it's smooth on your skin, and it feels so good. This product is really good for sensitive skin because it doesn't have any fragrance in it. It is sort of plain, and since I've been using the product, I haven't faced any sort of irritation, so I was really happy with that. Initially, this product is a balm, but then it turns into a beautiful oil, and it does dissolve all your makeup. Now, it takes off my lipstick, it takes off sort of my foundation. I do find that it doesn't necessarily take off my mascara, and sometimes I do have to sort of go in a few times. What I will say is that it's really good at sort of taking off your makeup, and it's way better than the baby wipes, as you find that when you use wipes there's still a lot of product left on your face. However, with the cleansing balm, it does take off majority of the makeup. Now, on the website it does recommend that you take the product off with a cleansing cloth, but you guys know that I don't actually use a cleansing cloth, so what I tend to do is take off the product with cotton pads, and then I'll go in with my face wash and then sort of get the excess. To be fair, I think I might actually try this product when I'm demonstrating it with a cleansing cloth, so that I can follow the instructions and so that you guys can see what the outcome looks like when you follow it as it says. This product is very, very gentle on the skin, and that's what I personally like. This product is super moisturizing, so this is the reason why I really like this product, is because it doesn't leave your face feeling dry, crispy, like really tight. It does feel very moistured after, and I think that's super important when you're wearing makeup and you know you're gonna wash your face, that it's not feeling dry. So this product is super hydrating on the skin. Like, if you do not use a cleansing balm to take off your makeup, then I really don't know what going for you. It's healthier for your skin and just way better than using face wipes, and I just think dash your wipes away and invest in a cleansing balm, and that actually costs £9 for that 30ml. They do have a larger size, which I think is about £24 or £22, around that mark, and I would highly recommend that you invest in this. There's lots of different cleansing balms on the market. This is the one that I've tried. So that was my review of this product. I hope I've sold this product to you because I absolutely love it. The day I've purchased this product, I haven't looked back, and this is what I've been using since to take my makeup off. Let me know if you're going to be going out to buy this product. Let me know if you use a cleansing balm. Let me know what you use to take your makeup off. But I'm going to leave the video there. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss out on the enjoyment that is happening on this channel. And I shall see you in my next video, guys. Bye.